What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be replacing the blade on this Craftsman R110 riding mower. I've already got the mower jacked up underneath the steering column. All you're going to need to do this is an impact gun and a 24mm socket. You could also use a breaker bar and a piece of wood, but since I've got the impact gun, that's how I'm going to be showing you how to do it today. So like I said, I've got the floor jack up under here, and that gives you almost enough clearance, but I still had to push the deck up to slide the gun up in there. I've got my right hand working the trigger on the gun and my left hand kind of holding that blade still while I take it off. And again, here I have to lift up the deck just a little bit to try and work that gun out. The nut that comes off of that thing's going to look something like this. And you can see here this old blade was pretty beat up. There was a lot of corrosion and it had broken off on one side, so it definitely needed to be replaced. Also another chip missing over here on the other side. Most modern lawnmower blades will have some kind of marking on them that will tell you how to orientate the blade. You can see this one says grass side down on it. But if you're just taking the blade off to sharpen it or something and you want to make sure you put it back on right, just go by the witness mark that was left by the nut you took off. So here I am trying to line up that star pattern with the crankshaft of the mower. And after that, you're going to want to start the nut far enough that the blade doesn't drop back down out of that little star pattern. Now I'm going to come back in here with the gun and give it a few clicks. And again, I'm holding the blade so it doesn't spin while I'm cranking down on that nut. Make sure that thing is good and tight. You do not want this blade coming off. I did the same thing here too. I kind of lifted up on that deck so I could sneak the gun out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You can let the mower down now and you should be good to start mowing again. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave me a comment. And if this video helped you, please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel.